Hi everyone, Michael from Bullion Now, bullionnow.com.au. Well, it looks like we're now in lockdown 5.1, I suppose we'll call it. The Premier has just announced that we're extending the lockdown for the state of Victoria for another 7 days. So that should take us out to Tuesday, July 27th at 11:59 p.m, subject to any further updates and announcements from the government. So what does that mean for our Bullion Now family? Well, we've remained open as a click and collect store since the start of lockdown. So we will continue with that. So you can still place your orders online, so bullionnow.com.au. You can phone in 1300 84 84 10 and talk to Sylvia or Sam, or alternatively you can place an email order, sales@bullionnow.com.au, and we'll be able to facilitate the purchase. And as long as you meet the government requirements, you can come in and do a click and collect through the airlock of the store. You are still more than welcome to place orders the normal ways, and except for over the counter, obviously. And we can either hold on to them to you. We're offering free storage for the next 3 months while we sort out all of COVID. And you can also have them freighted out to you. So that side of it remains as per normal. As far as buybacks go, it's a little more complicated. I'd strongly suggest that you phone in and talk to either Sylvia or Sam. So again, 1300 84 84 10, and we'll talk you through the best way of facilitating the buybacks, remembering it has to be completely contactless to satisfy government requirements. That's it for now. It's been an interesting time, and it will continue to be an interesting time for many of us, not just in Victoria but around Australia. It sounds like South Australia may be going into a lockdown as well. New South Wales obviously is still in lockdown, so stay safe out there, and like, share and subscribe, as Joe would normally say, so we can keep the message getting out there. That's it for now. We'll talk again soon. See ya.